Why is Q4 so big for publishers? What's all the fuss? Long story short, people spend more money at this time of the year. That's it. There are more people who are willing to spend more money on products that they need or don't need at this time of the year. So as marketers, it is our responsibility to take advantage of that. Last year, retail sales in November and December hit 1.3 trillion, that's trillion with a T, dollars in 2024. Absolutely insane. This was up 4.8% from the year before. So, and obviously that's not just on Amazon, that's like all sales, but that's just in the US, $1.3 trillion. So people just spend crap tons of money at this time of the year. One of the big key drivers is people are buying gifts. And that's obvious, right? We got the Santa hat going, right? Santa brings Christmas gifts. So people are buying gifts like children's book bundles, giftable nonfiction books, and self-improvement tools like journals and planners and stuff like that. So people are just focused on spending extra money that they wouldn't normally spend at this time of the year. Early buyers matter. That's another point to talk about. 1 in 6 buyers start shopping in August, and half of all holiday shoppers finish their holiday shopping by Thanksgiving. That's US Thanksgiving, the one that matters, end of November. So if you're waiting until, end of November to get going, you're literally missing out on half of the entire shopping population. So let's start right now. Parents are overspenders. Those of you who have books that are for kids or whatever the case is, parents are overspenders. They spend on average $1,070 for parents versus non-parents that spend $860 on average. So it's a huge motivation if you're doing books that involve family, parenting, or kids in general. Gift givers are online. 90% of them shop online when looking for gifts, with Amazon being their top destination. So that's huge. And social proof matters. Younger generations, Gen Z, millennials, say 78% of their holiday shopping is influenced by social media. So those of you who are utilizing social media, or even if you're not, Amazon ads, video ads, right? Let's start dropping the hints of gifts of how your book can make a great gift in those ads. We're gonna talk more about that here in a second. And October's really the sweet spot. All your listings, all your ads, all your keywords, everything optimized by October, right? If you're waiting until something like Black Friday to really get things running, you're gonna be way too late. You have to start early. I can't emphasize that enough about starting early. Think long game. Q4 isn't just a weekend. This isn't like Black Friday weekend or Amazon Prime days or anything like that. This is a multi-month shopping marathon. It's literally started already, and it only gets bigger and bigger and bigger every single day between now and the end of the year. So there's so much time, but so little time that we can take advantage of this.